It is February 11th, 2017. Once again, earthquake alert, devastating 6.5 magnitude earthquake hits the Philippines, and then hours later, magnitude 5.6 rocks a Taiwan city, causing an apartment building to completely collapse. Let's get right into the information coming out of the USGS. We can see the Philippines here, magnitude 6.5. Actually, other agencies had registered this as a 6.7. You can see where the area is, the epicenter, and it was actually located out in the ocean. However, there is fault lines. There are fault lines that run all through this area of the Philippines. Now, not too long after the earthquake in the Philippines, hours later, another devastating earthquake occurred north in Taiwan, magnitude 5.6. We're just taking a look at where exactly these earthquakes occurred. Now, you can see there is a fault line that runs directly through Taiwan, and the epicenter right here, the fault line, is right next to it. Now, moving into what has occurred in the Philippines, there has been injuries, and there also has been some deaths due to this earthquake. We're going to see if we can grab some pictures. You can see this gentleman just standing there looking at this crack in the roadway. There's been a lot of other devastation in the area. For some reason, this Reuters, their website sucks. It constantly runs. You can't seem to get moving through their website. But anyways, the hell with Reuters. Headline: powerful Philippine earthquake kills at least 6. More than 120 people injured. Once again, another headline: Philippine quake kills at least 15. So folks, we've been warning and warning continuously about the earthquake situation. The South Pacific is going to continue to get hit with these earthquakes. There will be no warning other than people on YouTube like Dutch Since, who is very, very skilled in forecasting these earthquakes. This is going to continue. It will not end. That is a fact. Moving over to Taiwan. Headline: shallow quake hits southern Taiwan. Magnitude 5.6, 5.4. It states in this article a magnitude 6.4 earthquake. So what is happening with the reporting of these earthquakes? Why is it so inaccurate? And as you can see, there was an apartment building that completely collapsed. And ladies and gentlemen, the same situation can occur here in the United States or anywhere around the world. These earthquakes are going to continue. Now, I was just checking on the situation in the Philippines, and since the magnitude 6.4, the aftershock earthquakes are ranging in the high 4s. 4.5, 4.7, 4.9. Once again, our planet is in dire straits. It's time for everyone to wake up, pay attention to what is happening. Whether you believe it or not, these situations are occurring all around the world. Very erratic and severe weather patterns, earthquakes, volcanoes. All of this information that is coming to you is directly related to Planet X, whether you want to believe it or not. These earthquakes, this Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Nibiru channel. It is February 11th, 2017. Once again, earthquake alert. Devastating 6.5 magnitude earthquake hits the Philippines. And then hours later, magnitude 5.6 rocks a Taiwan city, causing an apartment building to completely collapse. Let's get right into the information coming out of the USGS. We can see the Philippines here, magnitude 6.5. Actually, other agencies had registered this as a 6.7. You can see where the area is, the epicenter